Hello, I'm Fardin Ahmed and I'm doing a peer review video on a student. Let's get started. So, in our coursework too, we need to follow the instructions listed here under the agenda. We need to show the Unity UI for interaction and feedback, the animator and final state machine character system, the player and NPC prefabs, narration and animations, camera work and interactivity, scoring and inventory, and implementation. So at first let's talk about the Unity UI for interaction and feedback. The expected deliverables where the player will interact with the NPC using Unity UI. In the actual submission of the work in progress video of this particular student, no interactions were shown using the Unity UI. In his presentation, he said he had some animations and feedback for Mia, but the project was not was not running during the video, so I didn't see it. So what can be done for these opportunities? So he should implement interactions using the Unity UI, and next for the final submission he should run the project to demonstrate it, and he should have more characters to have different interactions. Now second, let's talk about the animator and final state machine character system. For those who don't know what is a final state machine system, in Unity the final state machine system is a design pattern which is used to model and control the behavior of objects in a game or application. So an object or a character can have many states, and the states will change based on the event that has occurred. So the expectations were different states for characters and animator controller for each character, and that each animator controller should have at least 3 or 4 different animations. In the actual submission, no FSM character system was shown, and only one animator controller was shown, having 4 animations from the tutorials: the talk animations and the collect burger animation. So the suggestions would be to add more characters and more animator controllers and implement the FSM character system for better using experience. Now let's talk about the player and prefabs. The expectations were to have many characters and prefabs to interact to create outstanding interactivity. However, in the submission, I just saw one character, which was Mia. So that's it. So the suggestions would be to add more NPC, and at the moment, the player character is a capsule prefab, which was given to us during the tutorial. You should use a player character instead of using the capsule. Next, there should be a branching narrative and different animations. So the expectations were there should be dialogues between the non-player character and the player, and the dialogue should change based on the player decisions during the conversation, and the NPC should respond to each decision with different animations. However, in the actual file, it was shown that the dialogue system was implemented. I could see it in the Unity project, but as I said, the project was not running during the video, so I didn't see it actually implemented or function. So the suggestion would be to use the new Unity dialog editor to create branching narration. It gives us the chance to have different options, and based on those different options we can trigger an event and so on. So, and you should use Mixamo to download more animations, because three at the moment he has 3 animations, which is not enough, and you should use Motion Builder to fix the animations first and last frame to create a loop. So the camera work and interactivity, he had an excellent environment which was made up of 4 markets with products, and but as I said, no interactivity. I didn't see any interactivity because the project was not running, but the environment was really nice. The scoring and inventory. He had some planning on his presentation, but there was no. I didn't see any scoring or inventory files in the project. So the predicted score would be 50 to 55%. So I followed the marking criteria. This work demonstrates some effort and meets most of the requirements with or little effort and understanding. So this is the predicted score. So wish you all the best for the final submission of the module. Thank you. This is Farid Ahmed.